Start with the name of the God. Hello everyone, my name is Hussain from Enlighten Properties. So I'm showing you 1-bedroom apartment. Is 500k in JVC in season community, and the size is around 600 square feet. Here's the kitchen, and then living area, and this is like your guest toilet because there's no electricity. So you have two entrances from ground floor. So the ground floor I have this unit. So here is also entrance for the second one, and there's one entrance from that side. So here's like your bedroom, and here's like a walk-in closet. And this one comes this side. So this is a unit, and the price is around 500k, and you can get the rental amount is 50,000. So if you want to invest in JVC with 1-bedroom apartment, here's a good investment opportunity, which is exclusive with Enlighten Properties. And always we have to stock what some of the person they don't have. Okay, if you want to invest in JVC with the secondary market, Enlighten is the best company. You can invest all the time, and you can get good inventory with a good price. Stay tuned for the more videos, guys. Bye.